What is going on, people? Welcome back to another video on AJ5, and in today's video, guys, we do have an update on Alchemy Pay ACH, which did take a huge pump very early this morning. It is currently up 43% in the last 24 hours, currently trading at just over 3 cents. So we'll be looking at what is next, how high can it go, and a potential price correction that may be coming over the next couple of hours and days before it slowly starts to increase, heading over 4 cents in value, which I will be taking you guys through in a while. But before I do that, if you're new to the channel and haven't subscribed yet, make sure to go down and smash that subscribe button and like the video to enter the cryptocurrency giveaway. And also, this is no financial advice. Any gains or losses you guys make, I will not be responsible for. So at the moment, ACH has taken a huge peak up in value over the last 24 hours. Majority of it literally lost from the last 14 hours, and as you guys can see, it has gone over the upper level of the Bollinger Band, way over it, meaning the crypto at the moment is slightly overvalued, and more red candles are likely to appear later on the day today, this afternoon, evening time, dropping back below 3 cents in value, potentially heading down to 0.026 to 0.027 cents in value is where I'm predicting ACH to be trading at by the end of the day today and early hours of tomorrow. Essentially hovering below the red line here is where I'm expecting it to drop down to. And even if we get the RSI at the bottom here, it is currently at 44.18 and the purple one is at 66.94, which is pretty high. So not exactly overvalued, but quite high, very close to being overvalued, guys. So I'm not predicting it to pump up much higher than where it is at the moment. Again, I'm not expecting it to hit 4 cents at the moment, not over the next day or two anyway, because I'm predicting it to go for a price correction. So what I'm predicting is more red candles from the crypto. And if we do zoom in into the 4-hour chart, we can see here majority of the pump did come from literally earlier this morning or late last night as well. Earlier this morning, that's a huge green candle, took a bit of a dip here, and then right now pumping again. I'm expecting it to head back down, guys, because if we look at the percentage increase, not even in the last 24 hours, it is over 48%, guys, in the space of about just over 14 hours, which is pretty high. So that is not as sustainable as it seems. So it has to dip back down, go for a pullback before it consolidates around 0.026 to 0.027 cents. So around this price range here is where I'm expecting it to consolidate over the next couple of, well, towards the end of the day today and over the next few days before it slowly starts to increase in value, heading back up again, dropping down probably further down before it slowly starts to increase in value. Heading into late January and early February, we should see it getting closer up to 0.035 cents and potentially heading to 4 cents by mid-February, and potentially 5-6 cents going into March, April, depending on how the crypto market performs. Because at the moment, Bitcoin has been struggling quite a bit. It did dip down to $97,000 earlier this morning, and right now is back up to $100,000. So no major pumps are predicted from the crypto market at the moment. So it's likely to be very, very quiet for now before we see a very minimal increase in value. So if we bring out the MACD indicator, we can see on the 4-hour chart, the blue line is looking quite steep, heading towards the bullish direction, looking very positive. However, it is looking a little bit too steep to be realistic, guys, meaning the only reason it's looking so steep heading in a bullish direction is because of the major pump that's taken place over the last 12 to 14 hours. So at the moment, as mentioned, I'm predicting an overall correction over the next few weeks. Again, the blue line is again looking way too steep to be realistic, guys. So even though I'm expecting an overall increase in value from Alchemy Pay over the next couple of weeks and months, before that there has to be a price correction, because if it carries on pumping like the way it has been over the last 14 to 15 hours, it will not be as sustainable, which would mean it will end up going for a major crash, which is something that we do not want to see. But so far so good for the crypto, guys. Correction followed by an overall increase in value as mentioned in the video. Heading into the CoinMarketCap website, trading volume is up over 3,400% up in the last 24 hours, currently at $373 million, the highest trading volume we've seen over the last week as well as over the last month, guys. It has been performing absolutely insane. We've seen major dips here earlier on in January and over the last 2 weeks here. However, right now it is overall 17% up over the last 4 weeks, which is pretty good. Now, an overall minimal increase is what I'm predicting. A lot of people have been saying Alchemy Pay is likely to hit 20 cents by mid-year, so around June, July, which I do not agree with, because for it to hit 20 cents, it would require a major increase in value, which I'm not predicting from Alchemy Pay at the moment. But let me know in the comment section down below your realistic price prediction for this crypto. How high, how low can it go in 2025? And on that note, I'm going to end the video here, guys. Before you click off, make sure to hit that subscribe button and like the video to enter the cryptocurrency giveaway. And I'll catch you guys in my next update. Until then, take care and peace.